it won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say.
Hello guys, today's video is what I eat in a day. These are my favorite to film. I've done my makeup, I've done some yoga, so I'm gonna show you my breakfast. Then for lunch I'm gonna cook some burgers, healthy burgers, and my snacks. I'm prepping some healthy snacks and some sweet treats, chocolate ones. And then for dinner we're going to see what I have in my fridge and just cook. So I've been obsessed with oatmeal for the past few months, but after doing that every single morning I got a little bit tired of it. So in France I was eating a lot of smoothies or I don't know, healthy treats that I was prepping the night before, chia pudding, that sort of stuff. But here I don't have my blender, which complicated everything. So I'm usually eating fruits when I'm tired of oatmeal, and today I'm going to eat watermelon with passion fruit, which is such a nice combo. I definitely recommend you to try that. It's a little bit as the papaya and the lime combo. These are my two favorite ones.
I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight. I got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do.
Now we're going to make some healthy burger. So usually when I try to make burgers, I always try to have a source of protein, which can be chicken, it can be beef, it can be pork, it can be chickpeas, it can be a kind of veggie pan that you make. I'm going to film one about that too. I don't have a blender or anything here, so I can't make that. Then I've always had veggies, raw veggies and cooked ones sometimes. Then a sauce. Today I wanted to make guacamole, but my avocado is not ripe, so I'm going to see what I'm doing. And then I always try to have gluten-free bread because I'm intolerant to gluten, so I try to avoid as much as possible. That doesn't mean that I never eat gluten. It's not as good as you think to completely erase gluten from your diet. You just have to eat gluten, but really less. So I just have gluten when I'm out, when I eat at restaurants, when I'm at pastries. I just buy normal bread, but as much as I can I try to buy some gluten-free stuff. Then for my cheese, you can have regular cheese, you can have mozzarella, you can have anything, you can have vegan cheese. I just found one which is super good for me. It's regular cheese, it's just without any lactose in it, which I really like because I'm also lactose intolerant, so that's why I avoid to drink cold milk. I haven't been drinking cold milk for really long time. I always stick to plant-based milks. So I'm going to film that for you and show you how I make it. Alright, so here are the ingredients. Here's the Beyond the Meat burger. It's pretty big, 10 grams each. Then that's the cheese I was talking about without any lactose. Then I'm normally doing some sweet potato fries or normal fries, but today I wanted to make some kale chips to eat as a side one, a tomato, some bell, onions. I prefer red onions. We're going to pretend that you have avocado, ripe ones, but I'm not going to use mine. Then I'm using salads, beetroot, my favorite. Usually in France I buy fermented beetroots, and oh my god, I could eat the whole pot. And then that's just the bread, gluten-free bread, well, one person, but, and that's it. first I'm going to cook the kale because you have to put that in the oven, so while it's cooking you can make the other ingredients, and yeah. So when I bake my veggies in my oven, I like to cook them in coconut oil, and when it's in my pan, I like to cook my veggies with olive oil. And for my salads, I like avocado oil, coconut oil, all the different oils to just have all the nutrients. So then for the burger, it's plant-based burgers, and I made a mistake. It's not 20 grams per patty, it's 113 grams and then 20 grams of protein. Like I said, I bought these Beyond Meat burgers because I just wanted to see if they taste good, how it looks, all of that. But most of the times I try to buy as less transformed as possible, because every time you buy transformed products, it can be meat, it can be sweets, it can be veggies, you lose a lot of nutrients, and they add additives, artificial sugars, all that is not good for your body and your hormones. So I try to buy as raw as possible, and then I make my own things. But just because I don't have any blender here, I can't really mix the ingredients and create a sort of patty. So that's why I bought these. But of course I'm going to show and to film a next video about my homemade burgers, how I do them. But yeah, this time the patty is just already prepped and that's it. And sometimes you just don't have time, and it's okay, but just know that, you know, just keep that in mind. It's not because it's written plant-based that it's always 100% the best thing for you. So that's the final result. Okay, so now I'm trying it. It's so good. I feel like the Beyond Meat patties really taste good, not like meat, but not like the other plant-based one that I tried. Normally it tastes more like chickpeas, or it's often it's really dry, but this one is absolutely not dry. It's even more like if you have juice, so that tastes really good. Also, it's just a kind of mini haul with the stuff that I bought this week for next month. So I bought some storage because my computer is starting to get empty and I need to save my pictures, my video, all of that, because if everything got deleted, I'm going to cry. Then I bought these two cute tops, one from Garage, and it's just, you have a neck back and you put that around your neck. This one is the same kind of style. And then I bought my hydro flask. I wanted one for so long, just to have my water in it, some concealer from Estee Lauder. I've been searching for the perfect one for so long. I tried the Tarte one. I also tried the one from Too Faced, and I don't know why they are so famous and so well rated, because I put them on and it's just horrible. It's way too heavy. Instead, this one is super light. Then I absolutely needed a swimwear and a bottom one, but without any knots on the side of my hips, because I just don't want it to move. And I was searching for one from Billabong because I know the quality is super good, and this one is so perfect, like the basic one. And also for my swimwears, I always buy the tanga shape because I hate the one more, you know, large. I don't know, I just feel it makes your butt look so ugly. I don't know, I just feel it's not flattering at all your body. And I feel like no matter what your body type is, you can have small butt, big butt, I don't know, but just tangas are more flattering on any body type. That's just my point of view, but I don't know. If you really want to have a nice swimwear, I highly recommend you to try tangas. I made all of my friends addicted to that. They just saw me trying this on and they said, okay, I need to try tangas, and they really loved it, and now they just wear only that. Then this one was on sale, and I also needed a top that doesn't move when I'm into the water, and this one is from O'Neill, and I just love the color and also the shape, and this one is super cute. Now I want to make a kind of sweet treats, especially with chocolate. I bought dark chocolate, you can buy mint chocolate, then I bought white chocolate. It's one of my fave, and I'm going to put some fruits in it. You can choose whatever fruit you like. I have some blueberries, some bananas. For this I'm going to use chia seeds and bananas, almond butter, you can use peanut butter, whatever butter you like, dark chocolate, a block, and white chocolate. Also I have some muesli, you can add coconut flakes, almond flakes. So for my healthy snacks, I'm going to start with the bananas, and I'm going to cover them with almond butter. Then I'm going to put them in the freezer. I'm going to take them back, and then I'm going to cover them with dark chocolate. You can use whatever chocolate you like. And then I'm going to do the same thing with blueberries, but with the blueberries I'm going to put them into white chocolate. So now I'm heading off to a cafe to meet two of my friends, because one is leaving for France after a year here, so it's kind of sad, but also it's kind of a happy moment too. I just came back home, it's 9 p.m. and I'm going to make my dinner now, and I'm not really hungry, so I think I'm just going to go for a salad, really simple salad. So that's the end of the video. I'm pretty exhausted. I'm going to wrap this up. I'm going to have a cup of tea and watch Grey's Anatomy. If you don't want to miss my recipes, my workouts, or my travels, please subscribe below so you won't miss that. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati.